Hi everyone, I've just come to share with you another journal that I've made. This is another vintage butterfly journal. Since I was on a roll with them, I thought I would do another one, and this will be listed in my shop. So it's a traveller's notebook size. It is one signature. There's 92 pages front and back. It is more or less the same as the one I done yesterday, and that is the paper that I've used for the cover, and there is little butterflies hidden in the flowers on here. It has been sewn onto coffee dyed cardstock as normal. I have done some layering here. There's music paper, there's some Edith Holden. This is from My Porch Prints butterfly, the word journal here, and we have eyelets and string as a closure. Let's go inside, and the main pages are from My Porch Prints, and some stenciling on the inside, and I will flip through. So in this first pocket here, which is a Terri Woods inspired pocket, and Terri's linked below, folds out like so, and all folds back in again, and it's decorated with a doily ticket and a butterfly with some eyelash trim. And I managed to find, I thought I'd run out of these tickets, but I keep finding them. So it's quite happy that I keep finding them. So we have a large tag, and we have this is a freebie from ARTYmaze. It's been backed onto some cardstock. This is just a journal card that I've made, and we have a tag that says this book belongs to, and that just pops in there. And this is from Dreams Etc., and it's been backed onto an index card. There is a doily, some corner punching, a paper bag. This is from Tsunami Rose. This is from the old design shop. So I've got some flip down notebook, well, just note pages. This is an idea from Clemmy. Clemmy is also linked below for you to go over and see all the pockets and things that she does. And that is from the old design shop, and I've just popped that on there. We've got some tabs. The paper is a mixture of tea and coffee dyed paper, some stamping. I really do love this butterfly kit, and that's, like I said, it's from My Porch Prints. Another journal tag there inside this pocket. It's kind of open there, so you can tuck something smaller in there if you wish. A doily, some different ledger papers, some more butterfly papers. Got a Rita Donnelly flip up here. Rita is also linked below. We have some ephemera, large tag. This is a journal card from Dreams Etc. Another tag here, another little tag there, backed onto an index card, and that is from Dreams Etc. as well. Another doily. This is an altered Edith Holden book page, got a tag in there. And the butterfly that I've used there is from ARTYmaze, and this is from Tsunami Rose, and then this word is just something that I've typed up. Another tab, centre of the signature, another tab, another Edith Holden with the tag inside there. Again, the butterflies from ARTYmaze. This is from Tsunami Rose, and another word that's actually, this word, I'm telling lies, the words weren't typed up, they're actually from ARTYmaze. They are, they're a freebie on her website. Paper bag. Got all muddled up then. Two tags and a little tag. Another Rita Donnelly flip up. So you can write on these. I never actually say that, I just say it's a flip up. So it's a nice way to do some journaling and then just flip it down, and you know you've written it, and you might just not want anyone to see it. Flip up, flip down. It's also a pocket. We have some ephemera. journal card with a tab on there that I made. This is from Dreams Etc. Big jumbo tag that I made. And that all pops in there. Another climmy inspired little flip out. I mean, you could do that with more than just like the 2 pages doubled over. Could add a lot more if you like, if you want to make them yourself. This is from the old design shop, and I used the ruler to tear it so that it's got a kind of raggedy edge. And this is another Terri Woods inspired double flip out page. And we have this ephemera, a tag which has got the Tiffany and Co stamp on there, a tag from ARTYmaze, a journal card that I've made, and a little tag there from Dreams Etc. And that is the back page. So there we have it, a nice little chunky journal. Like I said, this will be listed in my shop if you're interested. If you have any questions, just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye.